Are you tired of manually checking Excel files to see which deadlines are coming up? In this video, I'll show you how to build a Power Automate flow that automatically checks your Excel file every day and sends reminder emails when a deadline is less than 7 days away. Once this is set up, you'll never have to manually track upcoming deadlines again. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate and create a new flow. Go to Power Automate and click on Create in the left menu. Choose Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, for example Upcoming Deadline Reminder. Set the repeat to 1 day, and set the start time you prefer, for example 6 a.m. Click Create to open the flow editor. Step 2. Add the list rows present in a table action. Click on New Step and search for Excel Online Business. Select the action called List Rows Present in a Table. Set the location to SharePoint, select your site, your document library, and then select your test Excel file. Finally, select the table inside the test Excel file. This action will retrieve all the rows from your table every time the flow runs. Step 3. Add an Apply to Each loop. Click New Step and search for Apply to Each. In the Select an Output field, click in the box and select value from the dynamic content. This will make the flow loop through every single row in your test Excel file one by one. Step 4. Inside the Apply to Each loop, click Add an Action and search for Condition. All the expressions used in this step can be copied directly from the description below. First, make sure the condition is put on, and in the left field of the condition, click on Expression and type the expression as shown on screen. This converts the Excel date serial number into a real date and formats it as year, month, day. The only thing that can be different on your end is the column name. In this example we use deadline date, so make sure to update that part of the expression to match your own column name. Set the operator to is greater than or equal to. In the right field, click on Expression and type the expression as shown on screen. This formats today's date in the same way. In this second row, use the same deadline date expression on the left. Set the operator to is less than or equal to. On the right, type the expression as shown on screen that adds 7 days to today. You can change 7 to the amount of days you like. This flow will now only continue when the deadline date falls between today and 7 days from now. Step 5. Add a Send an Email action in the True branch. In the True branch of the condition, click Add an Action and search for Send an Email. Use Office 365 Outlook and select Send an Email v2. Fill in the To field with your own email address as an example. For the subject, type something like Upcoming Deadline. In the body, write a friendly reminder message and use dynamic content to add the description, the department, and the priority from your Excel row. For the deadline date field, do not use the raw dynamic content value because that will show the Excel serial number again. Instead, click on Expression and use the same deadline date expression as the left side of the condition, as shown on screen. This will format the deadline date as year, month, day so it shows as a readable date in the email. Step 6. Save and test the flow. Click Save in the top right corner. Then click Test, select Manually and click Test again. Click Run Flow to trigger it right away. In this example, our test Excel file has 15 rows with deadline dates ranging from June 30th to July 14th. And today is June 25th. So the 7-day window reaches from today up to July 2nd. That means only the rows with deadline dates on June 30th, July 1st, and July 2nd should trigger a reminder email, while all the later rows stay in the false branch for now. Open your run history to verify that the condition was evaluated correctly for each row, and that in this example only those 3 rows received a reminder email. You have now built a fully automated flow that checks your Excel file in SharePoint every day and sends you a reminder email whenever a task or deadline is coming up within the next 7 days. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial.